What do you think about an all raw or a high raw diet?
I most often critique a diet that's raw or too high in fruit as people enhancing immunosenescence with aging. My experience over the last 40 years has many raw foodists have developed fungal infections and bacterial infections in later life, and I think it's because their diet is too high in fruit in proportion to the other plant foods. So there are 5 categories of plant foods: fruit, vegetables, beans, nuts and seeds, and intact and whole grains are those 5 categories. And the only category low in protein is fruit. Beans, vegetables, intact whole grains, and nuts and seeds all have adequate protein. So when we cook the beans and we cook the grain and we eat both cooked and raw vegetables, we increase our vegetable exposure by being able to cook vegetables. We can eat more vegetables in our diet too. When your diet becomes too high in fruit, as we age and our ability to assimilate and digest protein goes down, the lack of protein in the diet on a plant-based diet could be visibly affecting your health if you're eating all raw or too much fruit in your diet. Whereas if you're having cooked foods with beans and cooked grains, the more variety of different amino acids gives you better health and better protein bioavailability. It's not even safe to eat some beans sprouted, like red kidney beans. You sprout them, they still have too many glutenins in them. You can sprout mung beans and lentils and other things, but even some beans aren't good to sprout. It's really best to cook them. And why not be able to eat a red bean or a soybean cooked, or put it in a soup, or have some vegetable mushroom soup? I don't really see the health advantage they're going to glean from restricting themselves to that far.